Good morning and welcome to your Wallops weather briefing. Well, after a little bit of a cool down yesterday where we saw high temperatures here at Wallops in the lower 60s, we're going to see a warming trend continuing today into the rest of the week where we'll see unseasonably warm temperatures, maybe 15 to 20 degrees above normal for this time of year, impacting the Delmarva Peninsula. Yesterday across the region you can see temperatures much cooler than what we expect for the remainder of this week. 62 degrees the daytime high here at Wallops, 65 degrees the warmest that we could find of all the reporting stations throughout the region. That occurred over in the Tidewater region where Norfolk, Newport News, and the Langley Air Force Base all came in with 65-degree readings. Richmond also coming in with a high temperature of 65. Overnight last night, temperatures generally running in the 30s and 40s, 45 degrees here at Wallops, and over the last 24 hours, no measurable precipitation, and that will be a dry trend that we see continue throughout most of the week. As of 9 a.m., temperatures generally running in the mid-50s throughout the region, 54 degrees under sunny skies here at Wallops. Looking at our data from this morning's balloon release, that freezing level was at 3,800 feet, and our winds generally out of a northwesterly direction from the low levels of the atmosphere all the way up to 25,000 feet. Max wind throughout the first 25,000 feet is right at that 25,000 foot level where we see a northwesterly wind at 43 knots. Looking at our current surface analysis, that frontal boundary that moved through Saturday evening has made its way well off the coast, and we're seeing high pressure at the surface and aloft starting to build into the eastern United States, and that will set up shop here along the eastern United States as we go through the week, bringing in a warm surge of southwesterly flow throughout the next several days. Looking at a satellite radar composite, you can see just a little bit of light rain activity up into New Jersey this morning, a little bit of high cirrus cloudiness, and a deck of clouds at around 10,000 feet also spreading southerly through the Delmarva Peninsula this morning. Those clouds will move quickly off to the south and east and begin to dissipate over the next couple of hours, so we'll likely see the most clouds of the day occurring within the next hour or two as those clouds rotate through and begin to dissipate as we go through the afternoon hours. Looking at our forecast maps for the next couple of days, again, that broad area of surface high pressure over the southeastern United States will really act to bring in some southwesterly flow as we go through the next several days. Monday night, that high pressure will be centered right off the South Carolina coast and pretty much take up shop there along that general location as we go through the next several days, bringing us that surge of southwesterly warm air. Some of the warmest air that we've seen in quite a while will be this week as we see those high temperatures getting up into the 80s as we go through the middle and end of the week. Looking at Wednesday evening, a little bit more cloudiness starting to make its way closer to the Wallops region, but that will mostly be in the form of upper level cirrus cloudiness. Still expecting mostly sunny skies to continue on into Wednesday and Thursday. Looking at the next 24 hours, we are going to see breezy conditions today continuing. We're currently in a wind advisory and will likely stay in a wind advisory as we go through the afternoon, as those winds will gust right near the 25 knot limit for those wind advisories and continue until about sunset later this evening, where we'll see the winds quickly dying down out of the west at 5 to 10 knots as the sun begins to set later this evening. Into the overnight hours, the winds will still be fairly light out of a west-northwesterly direction at around 5 to 10 knots and continuing at that general speed as we go into the early morning hours of Tuesday. Taking a look at the forecast for Tuesday and Wednesday, we're going to see warmer weather as we go through each day. Tuesday expecting a daytime high of 76 degrees. Tuesday night, mild conditions continuing with a low of 57. And for Wednesday, partly cloudy and unseasonably warm with a daytime high of 83 degrees. So with the average high temperatures running around 66 degrees through the end of April and into the first part of May, you're going to see temperatures well above that as we go through the week. Again, 76 degrees on Tuesday, 83 degrees on Wednesday, and we'll likely max out this week on Thursday with our high of 84 degrees. We will see potential for some sea breezes to move into the coastal sections of the Delmarva Peninsula during the afternoon hours of Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, possibly dropping the temperatures in the afternoon right along the coast. So if you make your way over to the island to do any work over there throughout the week, this week, you could see some cooler conditions over on the island than you do just a little bit inland, as we see more of a southerly flow. But we will max out at around 83, 84 degrees for Wednesday and Thursday for daytime highs. And then Friday and Saturday, we'll see temperatures remaining pretty mild as a frontal boundary approaches the region. We will see the chance of some scattered showers and possible thunderstorms by late Friday evening into the day on Saturday. We'll see some chances once again during the afternoon and evening hours of Saturday. Not looking at a complete rain event for either day, especially on Friday, where those showers and thunderstorms will hold off until the evening. But it does look like that front will be slow to move through the area and will have enough lift to spark off some showers and thunderstorms, pretty scattered in nature during the late portion of the day on Saturday. As we go into Sunday, it looks like that front will finally clear the area during the day on Sunday. It could see a few lingering showers by early Sunday morning, but it does look like it will clear out by the afternoon, and looking at another pretty fine day for us on Sunday with a daytime high of 73 degrees. Well, that'll wrap it up for today's weather briefing. We'll be back again tomorrow at both 8:15 and at 10 a.m. Have a nice day.